Hey G Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode we got this cool middle right here, and basically what this is 11-piece car cover set that's from the brand called Car Pass. So for the one that I got right here is like a black and mint color. They do have this available in many other colors as well, so you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. So this is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like first before I set it up. Alright, so once you guys open up, here's basically what the product looks like. So there's a lot of different stuff inside right here because like I mentioned there's 11 pieces. So there's like all these different pieces inside. So this one looks like it's for the back seat. This one also looks like it's for the back seat. And then for other ones are probably like the headrest options. Here's some more headrest options. Here's another headrest option. And then for this part right here, they probably guys the front seat covers. If you guys notice on the actual product, there's a bunch of these like straps on here for you guys to strap on when you guys do set it up. So that way you get much more secure fit when you guys do strap it onto your seat, if you guys do have that option in your car. And then right here they probably guys instruction manual to teach you guys how to set up and how to use it. And that is everything that's included in this set. So it's gonna be hard for me to show you guys in this point of view of everything in terms of what is actually included. So I'm actually going to set all this up first and then we'll show you guys a final product what it looks like. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so once you guys set up the car seat cover, this is what the product looks like in the front. It was kind of hard for me to show you guys the unboxing or like the setup process, but this is what it actually looks like. So what you guys want to do for this part, you guys want to push it in. Same thing applies to the other side. And then the same thing applies to the back part. And I'll show you guys what it actually looks like in a second. But this part right here, we see it is stretchable, so that way you can just stretch it onto the side. So here is basically what it actually looks like from the front. Now let me show you the back. So here is basically what the product looks like from the back. So then we have the zipper right here for you guys to open up to fit the seatbelt holders if you guys want to. And you do have the option to open up this part and this part right here to pull it down if you guys do need to use that option as well. And then in terms of the headrest option, we do have the headrest covered right here, here, and the front two as well for a total of 5 of them. But here is basically what the product looks like when you guys do fully set it up. And if you guys want to actually get like the floor seat covers that we have right here, it comes with the one whole set, so 2 in the back and 2 in the front. So you guys also get like these 2 in front, so 1 right here and 1 on the other side. Let me actually go to the other side to show you guys what she looks like. So when we come over to the other side, this is what she looks like on this side. And here is basically what this car seat cover looks like from this angle. And if you guys also want to get like this car steering wheel, you do have the option as well. So this one's also from the same exact brand, which is Car Pass brand. It definitely has like that non-slip material on here that's also like a leather material that feels really soft and very smooth. So if you guys want all the accessory that I've showed you guys in this video, feel free to check it out. But here is basically what the car seat cover looks like when you guys do fully set up from the front. And here is basically what it actually looks like from the back. Alright, welcome back guys. So that's a quick test and product, and definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. It took me maybe around like 15 minutes or so to actually set everything up. I couldn't film myself setting it up, but you see when you do set it up, it actually looks pretty nice. So that way you can get that full on coverage for both the front seats and also the back seat as well. It also makes it stand out a lot more compared to what I had before, which is basically just the seat cover that comes with the car. But I do love the way how they designed the actual product because it actually allows you guys to move the seat up and down if you guys want to. But once you guys feel the material on there, it actually feels pretty nice. I actually reviewed another car seat cover from this brand that actually had the breathable mesh material or the air mesh material. And I feel like if they had that material on here, that would have been even better. Because there's something about the mesh material that feels a lot better. Especially if you guys sweat a lot, that is where the mesh material comes in handy. Whereas with this one doesn't really have that mesh material, which kind of sucks. But you see when you guys do full set up, it actually looks pretty nice and it does stand out. Obviously for the one that I got right here, which is the black and mint color, it won't stand out as much compared to like the other color, like maybe black and blue or something. So if you guys want your car to stand out even more, you can definitely invest in those other colors available. But that is everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing product. Now the end question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality car seat cover where it actually covers the front seat and also the back seat as well. That I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.